Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and you need to do a hard reset on it, but you don't have the PIN code, and so your watch is basically locked. You can do this without unlocking it. It will delete everything off your phone, and your phone will be like it was when it came out of the box. So what we're going to do is, with the watch turned off, and make sure you have enough charge to get through this whole process without it running out of battery, we're going to just press and hold the home button and the back button until our watch turns on. And then once it turns on, we're just going to continuously hit the home button until we get this menu here. Once we get this menu here, we can, on tapping through the home button, we can toggle through till we get to recovery. And then we're going to press and hold the home button to select that recovery option. And it's going to open us up a menu that looks like this. And again, we're going to use the home button to toggle through and then select Wipe Data Factory Reset. You may be confronted with a factory reset confirmation page. And once you do that and click on that and confirm that, everything will be deleted off your watch, and your watch will be like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.